Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This October 16, 22 variant we have and B syllabus mathematics. Question number 7a. So simply replace this value, and what student do mistake here? Let me show the mistakes. So they write like this. And similarly they write like this. So there's a mistake here. What is mistake here? If you type as it is in calculator, you get a wrong answer. Because you have to put a bracket here. This bracket is here not compulsory, but here because due to minus sign. But is we put it here also. Okay then. So let's see what answer comes. 0.73 square. Okay, and yes, it is giving the answer here 1.9795. But you know, if we have tried 3SF. So we need this add. So X answer comes 1.98. How to get B in terms of, sorry, this is I think, yes, B in terms of AB. I made this mistake here writing. Okay. Yeah. The question is here, is asking B in terms of X and A. So B in terms of X and A. So A and X, no problem. So make a B subject. So first of all, you know the way how to start. So let me write a question first. So you know the way, some students, you know what to do. They think this square cancel, this square cancel. No way. In the middle, plus and minus, you cannot cancel. Multiply, divide, you can cancel. So squaring both sides. So when is square both sides, like square of left side and square of right side. This is a process. Here and here. Now this square will cancel the outer root. So we get this thing. Okay. Now we need B subject. So this goes on other side. Okay. And take the root. When it is root, you know, if x square minus a square, here B comes alone. But here plus and minus comes, okay? And this is my answer, or you change the sides. So this is our answer. So small mistakes are there sometime. So we have done our answer. Okay. Now this question, he said the area both are 17 centimeters square. So 17 centimeters square and 17 centimeters square. How to get PQ? So length into width, and you know the area is equal to length times to width. Area is 17, length is x plus 5, and width is PQ. So this will go down. So PQ length is equal to 17 divided by x plus 5. Okay, now he's asking here, he's saying here, AB is 3 centimeters longer, okay? So I think I can say that AB is bigger, so bigger value minus smaller value gives you 3. Again repeat, AB is 3 centimeters more or longer. So AB value, let's say this is a 10 and this is a 7, so difference is 3, correct? So AB is 3 more, so that's okay. So where is AB? AB I don't know. So let's find AB also. So I'll find AB here. And what is the rule? Same. This is length, the width. So area is length times to width give you area. So length is AB and width is x. Area is 17. So AB equals to 17 divided by x. This both values I'll keep it there. So 17 by x comes here, and 17 divided by x plus 5 comes here. And now I said before, when there's nothing common, no, so I can't take LCM. LCM is the product of both. When you have this situation, so it multiplies there, but it's not always like this. It is only when there is a nothing common in denominator, simple product, that is fine. So 17 times 2x, I get 17x. and 85 and minus 17x. And in denominator, I get x squared and plus 5x. And here I'm getting 3. This cancels, and I just multiply 85 equals 3 times 2x squared plus 5x. My target is this to prove, so 3 is there, so 3 will multiply inside. 3x squared, 3 5s are 15x, and this number comes on this side. Equal to 0 here, or on the other side, no issue. Both have same thing. So proved. Okay. So let's go for this question. And when you talk about this question, so we have to go for a quadratic formula because he said d2 dp, okay? So the a value is 3 and b value we have. Okay, so here we have to apply quadratic formula. A is 3, b is 15. Some student by mistake write 85. Wrong. You have to take minus sign. So formula, you know, negative b plus and minus square root b squared minus 4a into c divided by 2a. Now you know b is here and here. So this 15 comes here and comes here. For AC, a and here. 2 a's come, so 3 is a, comes here and here. This minus 85 comes here. And I said before, you have to type this carefully with a root. So let me type for you, and answer is coming 35.284 by 6. And now divide in 2 parts. And this kind working is necessary to show examiner, otherwise you will lose marks. Okay. 1 time negative and 1 time positive. 284 by 6. And then you can type directly, no issue. And let me check what is answer coming. And its first answer 2 dB is 3.38. And second answer is coming negative 8.38. So we got our answer. So you know this is not possible because length cannot be negative. We can ignore it. And let's go for the next part. And next part we have here, last part we have to deal with, and he's asking perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, and perimeter of rectangle. So let's see how to find, and which rectangle he's saying? He's saying PQRS. So PQRS is a small, this one. Okay, so perimeter, you know that perimeter when you need to find, so you know outer lengths add. So 2 lengths and 2 widths. So 2 lengths and 2 widths, or make it easy, 2 common out. So we got at this thing, I think clear idea. But what is the length of that? X plus 5. And what's the width? PQ. But we don't have, PQ is down here, 17 by this. So it means, do it carefully, 17 by x plus 5. And now simply a matter of putting the value, this value replace here and here. So let's see, 3.38 plus 5 plus 17 by 3.38 plus 5. Simply matter of typing in calculator. And let me check for you. 3.38 plus 5 plus in fraction 17 by 3.38 and plus 5. And that's it. Answer is coming 20.8. Because he's asking is a meter or centimeter. Yeah, it is a centimeter. So we have to write units also. And the answer is correct, okay. And 20.8 is our answer. And that's it. And the question is over.